Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Volvo C70 T5. This two-door convertible has a 5-cylinder, 2.5-liter i5 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Volvo has less than 72,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows and window defogger.